So what's up guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm bringing something special for you guys as always. Today we're gonna see how to promote um, your affiliate link on Facebook ads. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to promote your products from Clickbank, from Maxbounty, from CJ Affiliate. I'm going to show you guys step by step what you need to do to promote an affiliate link on Facebook without getting your account disabled. Okay, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate link, affiliate product without getting your account disabled or your ad rejected or other stuff. So guys, before we start, make sure you subscribe, you leave a like. If you have any doubt, write down below in the comment. That's the way you support me, you support the channel, and give me power to come here and bring good content for you guys. So let's get started. Step one, what you need to start to promote affiliate link. First of all, you need a domain and a hosting plan. Okay, and I recommend you to use Hostinger, okay, to buy your domain and your hosting plan. And they are now giving a special discount for everyone that are going to buy a plan, to buy a domain using my link. Okay, you'll find the link in the description. They are giving a special discount if you want to buy a domain and some hosting plan. I'm using this one, a premium shared hosting. Okay, for this one you will just pay around $40. Okay, $40 for one here. Okay, you buy, you're gonna pay it for this, and you're gonna you'll be able to create more than 100. You'll be able to add more than 100 website on this plan. Okay, so I think that this is sufficient if you wanna run a business, online business. Okay, so guys, you need a domain and hosting plan to host your landing page. Okay, if you're gonna promote many offers, it's obviously you're gonna need a landing page. So you'll be able to create many landing pages for your offers without a need to pay for each one. Okay, so step two, guys, you need on step two to create a subdomain. Okay, so we right now we have a domain. Okay, we can go to subdomains. Okay, we have a domain, and I bought the hosting plan. If you don't have a hosting plan, guy, if you will not be able to you will not be able to create a subdomains if you don't have a hosting plan. So that's why I recommended you to buy a domain and hosting plan. So you're gonna come here and create some subdomain. Okay, related to the you're gonna create the domain related to the offer that you are going to run. Okay, so I put here kettle barn. Okay, and I'm gonna create the subdomain. I'm creating this subdomain right now, and the subdomain is right now created. I'm gonna come back on Maxbound, on Clickbank, sorry, and I'm gonna create my link. Okay, for some of these one um offers. Okay, so let me see for this product. Okay, I can use this one as an example. Okay, this is the nickname, tracking ID. Okay, this is optional. So there is the link. Okay, I'm gonna copy this link, and I'm gonna come back on my Hostinger panel. Okay, so we're gonna click on redirects. I don't know how it is on your service provider, but if you're gonna use Hostinger, that's the step by step that you will follow to create it. Okay, so if you have SSL encrypted, if you're gonna select this one. Okay, and you're gonna redirect to the to the link that you got from Clickbank. Okay, you're gonna redirect it to this link, and then you're gonna create the the redirect. Okay, so you're gonna click here to redirect. So guys, that's the way we mask an affiliate link to put it in the landing page. Okay, so that's the way we. Oh, sorry guys, I created this redirect for the main domain. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna select keto burn. That's the domain, the subdomain that we created. Okay, here you don't need to put anything. Okay, so don't forget to to delete this https. Okay, delete, because we already have it right here. Okay, so you're gonna create. So guys, when someone click in this link, it will automatically redirect the visitor to your affiliate link. Okay, so step three, guys. This is simple. All you need is to create your landing page. I think that everyone has a landing page. If you want to promote some product, I, I think that you have a landing page. So you're gonna pick up these this subdomain that you created, and you did the redirection. Okay, so you're gonna pick up this domain and put in the button. Okay, let's see, like this is the button. You're gonna put the subdomain in the button. Okay, so you're gonna promote the link from your landing page. Okay, so you're gonna promote the link of your landing page, so Facebook will not be able to find an affiliate link on your landing page, because they when they find an affiliate link on your landing page, they don't approve your ad. Okay, so that's the way we mask our affiliate link. Okay, that's the way we mask our affiliate link for Facebook, and they will not be able to find your affiliate link, and you're gonna promote and make a bunch of money with affiliate marketing. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget, leave your like. If you have any doubt, write down below in the comment, and subscribe. Don't be shy, write down below in the comment if you have any doubt, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.